It's been a while. Did you miss me? Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today we have a handbag reveal and an unboxing, and both of these handbags I got for under $1,000, and I'm gonna share my secrets on how I get these savings with you. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember to hit subscribe below, ring that bell, so we can become best friends here on the internet. All right, let's have some fun. Let's do an unboxing. Sorry, I've been gone a hot minute. I got sick. Then I got new carpeting, and then I've been doing some house maintenance, redoing my closet, all this stuff. So that's where I've been, and I have since gotten a package in, and I opened it. I was like, you know what? I should probably share this bag. And then another one came today, and I was like, let's just sit down and let's do both of these, and I'll open the second one with you together. Now, these two bags I got specifically to rock this spring and summer. Again, I wanted to pay not that much for them because of that fact. And also, if I don't end up liking them, I can resell them, move on from them, and it won't be a huge loss to me. And I'm also hoping I can rent these out on Toolery, the site that I like to use and make some coin on. So let me show them to you. I'll show you the one that I just opened. Now, one of the bags is brand new and one of the bags is secondhand. So let me start with the brand new bag. So this brand new bag here is a Chloe bag. It's one of the Chloe that is called the Woody Tote, I believe. I have been looking at those. I think they're kind of cute, but again, some of them are like $1,000 or a little over $1,000. So I found this one on sale, and this particular colorway, I thought I'd take a chance. Now, this bag, let me tell you what it retails for. So this bag usually retails for around $980 roughly. And then of course you got tax and shipping and all that stuff. So a site that I like to use is Luxe Hunt app. And she's also on Instagram. She always shares like all the different sales she has and all the secret codes. And a lot of them are private sales that you have to maybe buy a bunch of stuff from to be able to get those codes. And that was one of these. This was a private sale, and it was from, is it 24 is what I think the name of the place is. I have bought from them before, but not that often. St. Patrick's Day type of sale, and they had extra money off of the already sale price with her code that was not on the website. So this is one that she had, and that made this bag under $500 with shipping and tax and stuff. I believe this was right around $480-ish, free shipping, and there was no duties because of it being under $800. So that's why I absolutely love her site. She also has option for you to pay. So if you pay, I think it's a little over $100 a year, you get even more secret sales, like stuff through her sales associates that she has, different other deals and offerings, which I feel like is totally worth the price. So I'm also a member of that. So definitely recommend this for me getting this huge savings on this piece. So let's look at it. I just came yesterday. I haven't cut any of the things off, but it is definitely going to be something I'm keeping. Here it is. Now this is the Chloe Woody Tote, but this is in the mini size, not the nano. So the nano is even smaller than this. This is mini size that you can like fit your phone in perfectly. You can fit all the stuff you need, and it comes with a strap that is not removable. So that's something to note. If you like the option of removing your strap, that wouldn't be the case here. And this color is called Honey Gold. And you can't tell me how this works. Like this color with the Chloe, I just fell in love with this. So I've always seen it in the brown, the tan. I think they've had it in the black and stuff like that. They've had some different colors. But when I saw it in this particular colorway and it was under $500, I was like, you know what, let's go for it. Negatives of this bag is, you know, it's a little bit of a thinner strap, as you can kind of see. I don't like how it like hangs down. Maybe it'll relax a little bit because it just came. But that's something, if you wanted to wear this like top handle, you can't really wear it in the crook of your arm. So you would do a top handle, you can't remove the strap. So having it hang down like that isn't that cute, but I will probably be wearing this crossbody. Let's open it up here. And for this bag, you just have a nice like open pit that you can fit everything you need in. You can wear it crossbody. It is not adjustable, so that could be negative if you're super tall. It might be a little high up on you. For me, I do like how it fits. And here how the straps attach here. Again, they are not removable. Now, if you want the look of top handle, you can easily just stuff those in and then put your items like on top of that. That would be fine, and you could have a little top handle moment, but again, is completely open up top. There is no magnetic closure or anything. Be wary where you're going with this. If you're going to a place where it's like super crowded, this wouldn't be the bag for you. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Now let's try her on. Here she is, super cute. I am 5'3", so she fits like right above my hip, crossbody, which I think is a really good length. Here it is, just on my shoulder right there. Again, a super light bag. I think this would be cute, just especially like a spring fall moment, having a nice cute dress, even maybe wearing a cute relaxed outfit, maybe some neutrals, and then you pop this baby on, you feel put together. You better grab your super round Chloe sunglasses to go with it, maybe some wedges, and you are feeling yourself and you're all ready to go. Show you the close up here. Have this. And then all you have is this pocket here. And again, this beautiful honey gold color. I absolutely think that that is so gorgeous. Now, I didn't see it in any larger sizes in this color in the sale when I got it. If it had, maybe I would have gotten it, because this is really what sold me on the bag, is this color. Okay, again, guys, this is the first bag. What do we think? Have any of you guys ever gotten this bag? This is the mini size. I haven't really seen many reviews on the mini size. I did look at reviews online with it, and that was the thing that people didn't like, is that these couldn't be removed. And based on when they were actually looking at the bag on the site, they show it, and they do mention it if you're reading it, but if you don't read descriptions, because we're all can be guilty of that, not reading descriptions, you wouldn't notice it because of the way they show it. It looks like these would be removable. And I think they probably should have done that. It's just the only negative I can see of the bag. For me, it's cute, adorable, and I absolutely love this color, and it was under $500, so everything's perfect. All right, let's move on to the second and last unboxing. So this next bag is also under $1,000, and this one is secondhand, but it had a description of excellent condition. I did have to pay a little bit of duties on it. So this bag, I believe it retails for a little over $1,200, $1,300. And again, this is a summer, spring type. This particular bag I got with taxes and duties and stuff around $860. And the reason I got that is because it was listed for like $820, and then I had some discounts through this particular website, and that is Luxury Closet. They're out of Dubai, and they have so many really cool pieces. They relist them every day. Really great deals, and especially if you can get stuff under $800, then you have no duties or fees. However, if you do go over $800, which this was the case, and I didn't know if it would be like that, and I should have figured that I have duties with it because I had a little over $100 credit with them, and I got that credit because of buying purchases from them. They will actually give you rewards for certain things that you buy. They call it TLC cash, I believe. So I had a little over $100. So I ended up purchasing this for $720, and then I got charged duties of $96. So pretty much it was a wash to begin with, which I thought was a great deal for this bag because you can't buy it in stores anymore, this particular style. But I definitely recommend it for secondhand pieces. They list their things. Very easy to return as well. I had a pair of shoes that I bought that I showed you guys that I just didn't like the condition of. Didn't notice that there was some really big markings, and they took it back, didn't charge me shipping, anything, super easy return process. So let's open this up. Also, getting this sent to me, they ship in like 3 or 4 days. So super fast shipping. I've never sold to them, but definitely love buying from them. Here it is. Everything is always wrapped so well. You have the luxury closet right here, wrapped super well. And they're similar to like a fashion bag where they give you their own dust bag. It's a pretty good dust bag. I love saving these and using them in shoes and different things. Here is the bag. And wait till you see this bag. I hope I have it facing forward. No, flip it this way. Here is the bag. Look at this. This is Loewe. I believe this is called the Logo Totes in the raffia. And this one I love because I love the striping and the color on it. This can be worn crook of your arm, top handle. And it also has detachable straps that you can put. I think it's adjustable. Yes, there's a couple settings here, at least 3 settings to adjust it. And this one did not come with the dust bag, but it did come with the, I guess, the original card for it. The inside here, and it doesn't have any like zippers or pockets or anything in there. The Loewe numbers and stuff are located right here. And oh my goodness, I just think it's super cute. It's gonna fit everything you need. Very little wear on this. Maybe just maybe a little bit to the corners. I can't tell if it's just the light, how it's shiny on it. But you can't tell me this is so freaking cute and adorable. So let's try it on. And I believe that this is the small size, I believe, or the mini size. And again, you can't get this in store, but you have to get it secondhand. And this is retailing, I believe, around $1,200. And I do think the other logo totes, different sizes, I have seen them on sale under $1,000. New for the small or this particular size, so you can get that. But here it is in the crook of the arm. You can't wear it like this. It's a little too tight for that. And I like that it keeps its structure. It still has like movement to it, but it keeps its structure. And again, there is no closure for it. It does kind of naturally close, but look how cute that is. And then crossbody. I think I will end up wearing this more crossbody, but this is on the smallest setting right here. So this is how it would be if you're 5'3" and a little bit of a shorty. I probably would keep them and maybe stuff the straps in case I'm in a position where I need straps. I would probably just keep them in the bag like that. But absolutely super cute. There is the inside and a close-up of that. Like, isn't that coloring so cute? It doesn't make you excited for spring. Like, I am literally filming this right now and it's snowing outside, but it's spring and summer in my hearts, guys. So here again are the 2 bags. Which one is your favorite? Do you own any of these? Are these on your radar? Have you used these websites before? Let me know, and I'll have the links down below for you. If I have a discount code, which is usually something they just give you, they give to anybody, I will have that in the link as well if you've never used them before. I usually sometimes have an invite code that I can use. I'll make sure to link that for you as well. And these bags, if they're still on sale. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again. Bye, guys.